In this video, I simply want to show you how to update your Canon printer, that is the imageCLASS LBP122dw. So first of all, you need to have your printer connected to the internet if you want to update it, obviously. On the display over here, let me show you. You're going to press the OK button just to wake it up. And let me just go on the main menu. You're going to go down and select menu. You see, with these arrows, make sure menu is in black and press OK. Then you're going to go down until you get to, let me see, it's hard to see this display. Let me go down and select update firmware. Select OK. Select yes, press OK. Press OK. It will tell you do not turn off the device during firmware update. Press OK. The download and update process may take some time. And there is a cancel button right over here. Don't touch anything at this point. Just wait. You're going to get a status bar appearing. And it's saying download mode, check network connection, maximum 90 seconds. So again, don't touch anything once it says this. Then on your display, you're going to see updating firmware, maximum 10 minutes. Do not turn off. Again, you just have to wait. At the end, you're going to see your printer turning off. And right now the screen is dark. Press OK, it will wake up. And this is about it. The printer has now been updated. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.